Guys,
Hey.
so we do not know where our faces are right now. So we are doing a camping trip,
Stereotypes.
and we're in our tent right now. So let's get started.
Woo!
Okay, so here is our tent.
We
It's
have
really huge.
red.
A red sleeping bag.
with blue, and then
A pink sleeping bag.
one that has pink inside, and it's a cheer one. Hey, don't be loud.
Okay, so let's go outside.
That's not. I don't like outside.
Come on.
Wait, where
it's
are we
camping.
then?
It's
Okay.
camping. Okay, so we're going outside. It's really dark outside too. Oh my god, guys, look. There are two wild dogs out there. Okay, so we're outside right now.
It's so cold.
Well, right now, this building we're right by is the Park Rangers building.
Yeah.
So, and that's the street.
Van.
And that's the street to
That's
get.
my favorite car. I want to have it when I'm older.
And that's the street that you get into here. And let's go look into the woods. Okay, so they
They
have
still have Christmas lights up.
Oh, it's cold. It's freezing.
Oh,
There's the Park Rangers little thing, whatever. Okay.
There's raccoon.
So, it's really, woo, the water. Oh my god, there's raccoon poop. Raccoon poop, guys. There's raccoon poop. Okay, so we are going in our tent right
It's
now.
cold. I'm taking off my socks. They got wet.
So here's our tent. It's really big. Okay, let's go in. We're zipping it up.
Oh, I'm not opening that window. Good thing this thing is like waterproof, so if it rains, it won't get through. But if you touch it, then it will. It's weird, but it's so smart.
Okay, so right now we are in the tent. She's like getting really
Ooh.
sick.
No, I'm not. Don't push me. I like that splash. It's huge. Look at it compared to my head. So, the video that we are going to make is camping stereotypes. Okay, so.
Let's get to bed.
No.
It's like 8 o'clock already.
That's not my bedtime.
Well,
My
it's-
bedtime's like 2 in the morning.
Okay, guys, so we're really tired. And
Now I am.
it's 10 o'clock right now because she was very hyper. So let's
Okay, I think it's bedtime.
go to bed.
This thing is so.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was pretty creepy. Oh my god!
Clayton, stop it! You butthole!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay, this is a
Oh my god! Guys, hear it?
Okay, this is a fake video. We're not outside. And then, so,
You have to
my
go.
mom's the only one that's
Bye.
Oh, I'm scared to open the door.